All right, we're looking at SXP now. The infamous SXP. So let's start with the Fibonacci retracement tool. Drag it from the bottom, go to the top. Nice clean bounce off the 618 level. We have a retest at $3.70 here. We need to break out of this for a continuation and essentially into a price discovery mode. I'm just gonna mark this. Oh, that matches perfectly with the high, the 382. So essentially this would be our first target, and I'll start mapping things out here around the $5 mark. So this is our all-time high. Okay, now what you can see, what I like to do is just draw my own trend lines here. Let's draw this, because I'm seeing an ascending triangle. I'm seeing this along most alts, where you have this retest on this previous high and sort of just funneling into this ascending triangle. Now, I always like to do my path tool and do some fun predictions here. What I could see happening is a bounce off this trending support line and off the 382 level, and then continue upwards. We might just break out, third time's a charm on this retest, or we can just continue on a slower pace upwards and eventually break out. And not even do a retest, but to be safe, you can buy upon this this retest right here around the $3.80 mark after we get a confirmation breakout, and then a continuation up to the highs around $5. Realistically, this is what I could kind of see happening. What we want to do is look at shorter time frames here. And you can see on the 4-hour a nice bounce back. It could just break out essentially here and just skip all that. But this is where we look at our other indicators, the RSI, the MACD. Selling pressure has been weakening. That's why we see this nice bounce up. Things are being oversold. Volume's picking up nice here. I'm gonna expand this. So now we're looking at what's a good entry and what's a good trading opportunity. I mean, if you believe in SXP has a great program, which from what I've read on their site and on Twitter, seems to be a pretty good project. This could be a simple buy and hold, but what we're looking for is entry points, essentially, if you want to buy and hold or if you just want to buy and trade. But good entry points would be anywhere along this 382 level here, around $2.50. People don't want to hear that. People don't want to think that SXP will go down to $2.50. But it might happen. And whether you believe it or not, it's a good entry. Why not set that buy limit order around this mark on a bullish chart? I think it's a good entry right here. You could essentially, if you're patient enough and set an alert and watch the chart, buy along this retest on this breakout, if there is one, of course, and then make a trade here. Let's see, 30% trade. You're looking for a short-term one. If you buy here, and sell at the top and be one of those guys that makes this retest and continue downwards, be part of that group. That's up to you. 40% trade right there. Or buy there and wait if you believe in the project for 90% trade. Those are some good opportunities. What we can do now is see how bullish this thing can be. So what we need to do is a Fibonacci extension. Do the same thing, bottom to the top. And then we're going to go down. Let's just say I say it goes down to here. Looking at these levels, I marked it up here previously. A higher time frame target would be around $7.70. In the long run of this bull market, I could see SXP going to $10 for sure. I mean, so many alts are bullish right now, especially ones with good projects, and yeah, that's SXP.